Hi everyone, this is SCI. On this week's video, we'll be using the code we wrote last week to learn some cool things. Now, if you recall, we wrote a code that compressed 13.72 billion years into a single year. So I'm just going to pull that up real quick. It should be in my files over here. Alright. Open. The only code that's running is this part, so don't be intimidated by the entire thing. Alright, I added a couple things just to make the program a little bit more interactive. So when you first run the program, it's going to ask you what scientific event happened. And I'm just going to say hydrogen atoms started to form, something like that. And it's going to ask you how long ago this event happened. Now all we have to do is subtract the number of years that elapsed after the Big Bang until the temperature cooled down so protons and electrons could come together to make hydrogen atoms. And that number happens to be this one over here. Alright, so let's get that. And when we hit enter, it's gonna return hydrogen atoms would have started to form 11.5 months ago. So that just gives you a bit more understanding of how long ago these things happened, if 13.72 billion years were to be converted into one. Now let's try something else. Let's say, well, first we have to run the program again. So what scientific event happened? I'm just going to say Homo sapiens started to evolve. And it's going to ask you how long ago this happened. And from the fossils scientists have studied, we know the number is around 200,000 years ago. So I'm just going to put that down. And when we hit return, it tells us Homo sapiens would have started to evolve 0.0000 whatever months ago. But that's kind of a hard number to understand, so let's just switch the units from months to maybe seconds or minutes. I'm gonna say minutes. And over here, let's change the 12 into minutes, which is that much. And let's save this and run it again. Okay, so what scientific event happened? Homo sapiens, if I could get this here, started to evolve. How long ago? About 200,000. And we get Homo sapiens would have started to evolve 7.66 minutes ago. A more familiar number. Alright, so let's try another one. Let's say I'm gonna switch the units here because I know what the outcome is going to be. So I'm gonna change this in seconds and this number into that number over there. Alright, let's save this and let's run it. Okay, so what scientific event happened? I'm just gonna say Albert Einstein was born. Right? Now, is this a scientific event? In my opinion, I think so. I think Einstein must have been the only 16-year-old that was bothered by the speed of light. But anyways, he was born 135 years ago, so we're gonna put that over there, and we get 0.3 seconds. So there you have it. Albert Einstein would have been born 0.3 seconds ago if we compressed 13.72 billion years into one. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video, and if you have any questions about the code, let me know. I'll leave the source code in the description, and subscribe for more.